Welcome back, fifth graders. I hope you enjoyed our Energy in the Sun reading for today. And now we're going to move on to phonics. Okay, one small way of becoming a better reader and a better writer is to focus on our high frequency words. Okay, so the words that we see all the time in everything that we read are words that we want to make sure that we can spell and that we can read quickly. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a routine, a high frequency word routine that can help you learn how to read and how to write these words. Okay, so the process that we're going to use is we're going to say the word, we're going to spell the word, read the word, write it, and then practice. Okay, so we're going to follow those steps together today, and I'm going to show you our words, but you will need your English notebook. So if you need to pause this and go find your video, go and do that quick. Or not your video, excuse me, your notebook, your English notebook. All right, and I'm going to make these a little bit bigger here so we can see them. All right, so our first word is about. It's spelled A-B-O-U-T. Right. And if we read it, it's about. And write it. Okay, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and write the word about in your notebook on the next blank page. Go ahead and write about. Right, and then leave about 3 empty spaces after, because when we're done going over these words today, you'll go back and write a sentence using the word about. Okay, and you're going to focus capital letters and periods on every sentence that you write today. All right, word number 2 is after. We're going to spell it A-F-T-E-R. Okay, and go ahead and read it. And now we're going to write it in your notebook. After. And as you're writing, just notice that all of those letters are making their regular sound. Okay, so you could sound this word out. Some sight words aren't like that. They're tricky to sound out. All right, and then go ahead, skip 3 lines so you have a space to write your sentence after the video today. The third one is again. Okay. Spelling it is A-G-A-I-N. Can read it. Go ahead and read this word. And then we're going to write it again. Now be careful you write the word correctly in your notebook. We'd hate to practice it wrong. Right, then skip their 3 sentences, or excuse me, 3 lines, so you can add your sentence. And then the 4th word for today is all. If we spell all, it's A-L-L. Go ahead and read this word. And then we'll write it in our notebooks. All. Right? And again, you'll skip 3 sentences so you can add your sentence. And the last word is also. A-L-S-O. Also. Go ahead and write it in your notebook. And then your independent work today is to go back and write 1 complete sentence using each one of these words. Good luck today.